thermal systems on Mars Cord.
Go ahead, systems.
Okay, this time for step 29-047, I can verify the EDL delay counter has switched to 11. Can you please verify the thermal telemetry?
I can confirm that at this time, step 29-047 has been completed.
Copy that, thank you.
We've just gotten confirmation that the TCM cap bed heaters have been activated. This warms those TCM thrusters up for use just before EDL. We use those for the turn to entry. And that marks off step number 2.9-047.
But that appears to be being resolved, and so we expect to have them tracking again here in just a few moments when we do begin transmitting again. At this time again, just to repeat one more time, we are go for EDLCOM support.
I copy that. Can you confirm that MCS is off at this point in time?
That's correct. Nothing has changed in that respect.
Copy that. Thank you very much. Odyssey Systems, EDLCOM on Phoenix test. At this time, please verify Odyssey is go for EDLCOM support.
Odyssey Systems, Odyssey is go for EDLCOM support.
Copy that. Thank you. Phoenix Systems, EDLCOM on Mars Cord.
EDLCOM systems.
At this time, Odyssey, MRO, Max, DT are all go for EDLCOM support.
I copy. Thank you.
This completes step 2.9-52.
Systems Ace on Mars Cord. Phoenix Systems, Phoenix Ace on Mars Cord.
Phoenix Systems.
EDLCOM, MRO assist.
Yes, ma'am. Both Madrid stations report end of track on time.
Stand by, please.
Copy that.
We've just received indication that MRO has completed their absolute slew that orients them in the proper attitude for EDL communications via their UHF systems.
All stations Phoenix Systems. This time I can confirm the EDL delay counter has switched to 12. Spacecraft is downlinking the EVRs indicating prop pressurization. Prop systems on Mars Cord.
We can't confirm yet on telemetry. I see the PIM go nominal.
Copy that. Just let us know when you've confirmed the telemetry.
Copy that. Systems is propulsion on Mars Cord. I can confirm we have pressurized.
Copy that. Thank you.
We've just confirmed that we fired the pyrotechnic valves that pressurized the tank and brought the regulator online. This is one of our critical events, and it's now behind us.
Odyssey Systems, Odyssey attitude on Mars Cord.
Odyssey Systems?
Yeah, I can verify the expected post bias DSAT. Wheel speed on Y. All screen.
I copy. Thank you.
Phoenix Systems, EDLCOM on Mars Cord.
EDLCOM, Phoenix Systems.
At this time, Odyssey is inertial attitude, and MRO has completed its absolute slew.
I copy. Thank you.
We're about 5 minutes away from verifying the navigation Excel bias start. Basically what that means is we'll take a final read from our start tracker and set a basis or initialization for our IMU, and at that time we'll turn off the start tracker and it will no longer be needed. That again will happen in about 5 minutes.
Systems is GNC.
Go ahead, GNC.
I can verify that the star tracker is powered off and we are beginning our acceleration, Cal.
Copy that.
All stations on Mars Cord, there's the mission manager. At this time, all personnel should be at their stations preparing to bid farewell to our cruise stage that has provided us such an excellent ride to Mars. It'll be happening in about 8 minutes, by the way.
We've just confirmed that MRO has loaded their onboard sequence that will start their Electra radio recording the UHF signals from Phoenix during EDL. They will start recording their data in about 5.5 minutes. Currently we're waiting on the final orbiter readiness polls for their preparation for EDLCOM, and we'll also verify that the Odyssey data flow has initiated by looking at the receipt on the ground of their packets, which will eventually contain the EDL data.
Odyssey canister recording data has started. No UHF signal is expected yet.
Attention all stations Mars Cord. This is Phoenix Ace. Both Station 14 and 26 report LOS on X-band downlink.
And all stations Phoenix Systems on Mars Cord. The DSN has lost X-band, indicating expected cruise stage set.
Confirmed cruise stage separation. We have acquired a UHF signal. We're standing by for completion of turn to entry. All stations, Phoenix now 2 minutes past cruise stage separation. At this point in time, we have a signal via Odyssey. And direct to Earth, standing by for Phoenix transition to 8K data. in 2 minutes and 47 seconds. All stations, Phoenix switch to 8K detected. Standing by for atmospheric entry in 1 minute and 35 seconds. Atmospheric entry on my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. Expected peak heating rate in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Standing by for a possible plasma blackout. Phoenix now 1 minute past the entry point. We still have a signal via Odyssey. At this point in time, Phoenix goes normally through peak heating. At this time, we still see a signal via Odyssey. Phoenix now 2 minutes and 25 seconds past the entry point. We still have a signal via Odyssey. Standing by for reacquisition via direct to Earth. Standing by for Odyssey switch to 32K in 45 seconds.
We've been maintaining Doppler lock with Mars Odyssey all the way through the peak heating point. Peak heating is where we would have expected to lose the signal. We've maintained it all the way through. At this point, we've also experienced the maximum G forces that we would have experienced during re-entry at about 9 Gs.
Odyssey switch to 32K detected. We have Odyssey locked up onto Phoenix carrier. Standing by for expected parachute deployment and Phoenix switch to 32K. At this point in time, Phoenix would have normally deployed its parachute. Standing by for telemetry acquisition. Phoenix switch to 32K detected. We have data lockup, parachute deployment trigger detected, heat shield trigger detected, ground relative velocity 90 meters per second. Ground relative velocity 80 meters per second. At this point in time, standing by for radar RF on and altitude convergence. Radar switch to altitude mode. Standing by for altitude convergence. Land leg deployment trigger detected. Ground relative velocity 60 meters per second. Standing by for altitude convergence. At this point in time, Phoenix would have normally reached altitude convergence. We're standing by for confirmation via telemetry. Radar reliable. Altitude 2,000 meters. Altitude convergence detected. Altitude 1,800 meters, 1,700 meters, 1,600 meters. Standing by for lander separation. Altitude 1,100 meters. Signal may drop out during lander separation. Altitude 1,000 meters. The separation detected. We have reacquired the signal. Gravity turn detected. Altitude 600 meters, 500 meters, 400 meters, 250 meters, 150 meters, 100 meters, 80 meters, 50 meters. Constant velocity phase detected. Altitude 40 meters. 30 meters, 27 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, standing by for touchdown. Touchdown signal detected. Landing sequence initiated. Helium vent detected.